Hello guys, so today is going to be a simple video, simple but powerful video, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a SMS verification OTP website, and I'm going to be using this Azure hosting for this tutorial, right? So I'm going to be using Azure hosting. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to come to Azure hosting, scroll downward and type in your domain name. So let's say I'm typing let's say v3sms.com. This would have been taken, so let me say v3dsms.com. I'm going to click on search. Now it's going to check if the domain name is available, right? Now once it's available, sometimes you experience this in Azure. Don't worry, don't just worry. Go back, click on web hosting. I don't know what that is and I don't know why it shows up, but just click on web hosting. Now always remember, a lot of times people come to my DM and when they have issue, they will be like, I need help. But when I look at their panel, they're using direct admin. I just do not work with direct admin. It's just a problem for me. So if you want to buy and you're following my video, please do not click direct admin. Now if you made a mistake clicking direct admin, once you get to your dashboard, you will see where to write to them to change it to cPanel. Now that is also a trick, because if you notice, direct admin is $1, cPanel is $1.29. So they are saving 29 cents actually. If you choose direct admin by mistake, you can talk to Azure, they will change it to cPanel, because me on the personal level I don't like direct admin. So click on cPanel and take your plan. This is the first plan. Order now. It's $1.29 per month, which should be around a thousand, let's say around 2,000 naira per month, thereabout. So register a new domain. So I'm going to enter the domain name here, v3dsms.com. so check. Now it's available for 11. Sorry, for 11. It's available for 11 USD. So now I'm going to click on continue. Once I click on continue, as you can see, it gives me the entire details and pay annually, and that should be all for here. I'm going to click on continue. Now once I click on continue, take me to this part. Now a lot of people always ask me about this. Now I really do not add this most times to my tutorial. So you click on continue to my website. Depending on the kind of website, actually ID protection is needed, but this is an SMS OTP website, so there's no illegal thing related to it. So the total is $25.78. Now if you're not in the US, you could just change it here, change your currency to Nigeria. If you're not using dollar, if you don't want to use dollar, you can change it to naira, and you have a total of 41,000 naira, right? So once you scroll down, you fill your details, right? Fill your details, choose your payment gateway. Now you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, Flutterwave, Stripe, any of them. Normally I use crypto. I don't stress myself, so I use crypto. So whatever thing you want, you can use, and then click on checkout. Once you check out, listen carefully. Once you check out, a cPanel will be sent to you. You see something like hosting details. They'll give you cPanel URL, they'll give you cPanel username, they'll give you cPanel password. That is what you are going to use to log into your cPanel. Please don't come to my DM and tell me you pick direct admin and this happened and that happened. Follow what I said carefully. So you'll be taken directly to your cPanel with the logins that will be sent to your email, right? So I'm going to log into my cPanel now. Give me a minute, guys. Now for this video, I already have a domain name that I'm going to use for this, so I'm not going to purchase this. But if you purchase this, you'll be given your cPanel. From your cPanel, you can continue from the next part of this video. Alright, so welcome to the cPanel. So this is how cPanel looks. If you log in, this is how your control panel looks. This is how it looks, right? So now on this part, here's what I do. The first thing I want to do is to upload my file. So come to this search area, this search box, search for file manager, right? This file manager, open it in a new tab. All right, so once you open file manager in a new tab, it's going to load up and then take you to a file manager aspect, right? So this is how a file manager looks. Okay, so I want to delete this. This is last tutorial I did, so I want to delete everything here so that we could start from scratch. Okay, so now if you come to your file manager, look for something this is called public_html. Look how where my cursor is now. Public_html. Click on it. Click on upload here. Upload. Click on it. Now, as you click on upload, select the file. Now, I'm not using public_html. I have an extra domain added, which is tutorials.com.ng. So this is the one I'm going to use. Now, for yours, once you get here, upload your video, upload your script. Now, the access to this file is in the link in the description of this video. So go to the description of the video, click on it, the description link, and then you get access to this file, right? So once I come here, I'm going to click on upload. The same thing you did in your public_html. So I'm going to click on select file. So this is my OTP script. I'm going to click on this. So for your own case, after purchasing the file, you click on the script and then it will be uploading your public_html just like this. Alright, so now the file has actually been uploaded. Click on this link, go back, take you back, right? So click on the file. Now yours, as I said before, here will be showing public_html. That's what your own will be showing. This one, because I'm using an add-on domain. So click on it. Click on it, look for extract, right? Then you extract the file. Extract it on your public_html. On my own is an add-on domain. Do you understand, guys? Alright. So give it time to actually extract. Okay, so now it has extracted. This is the file. Now go inside the file, select all. Now a person was messaging me and was telling me that he doesn't know how to move a file. How to select file without selecting all. Come on, you should have gone to basic computer class. If you click on control and then you highlight something, it will be select. That's how computer work. But this, you're going to select all, right click and move. Right click on your computer and move all to your main public_html. Now if you come back to your main, here for yours will be public_html. So if you come back, you have this, all your file here, right? So the next thing you want to do is to go to your include. Now inside your include folder, open the config, the connect. I think so, connect here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay. Config. Sorry, config. Sometimes it gets confusing. So open the config. Now you want to change what you have here, what you have here. Those three databases, you want to change it to yours, right? Okay, so how do you do that now? Go back to your cPanel, search here for database wizard. This one, open it in a new tab. Now type in whatever you want to call your own. So I'm going to call this DEL, which it means till you know. Okay, let me call it V8. This is shorter. So click on next. Now V8 again. Now I'm going to use this same name for the password so that it will be easier for me. So I'm going to paste it here, right? So I'm going to click on create user. Now it's going to bring me down to this part and I'm going to click on all privilege. I'm going to click on make changes. Alright, make changes has actually been done. Now this thing we copied before, remember we used the same thing So we'll come back here, paste them here. 1, change this one that was here, change this one that's here. 3, that's the 3 major one. Then you save changes. Listen, you save changes. Now after saving changes, you come back to your cPanel, search for php myadmin, this one, right? Search for php myadmin, open this in a new tab, listen carefully, open this in a new tab. All right, so on this new tab, you want to click on, for yours you have 2, this one and the one you created. This one I've created all that's why we have it. We did V8 just now, so click on the V8, click on import. When you click on import, now select the file that comes with the SQL. It's going to be inside your file, so you're going to select it. So this is it for me, it's going to be inside the file, this one. So I'm going to click on import, and I have it imported. Now I'm not done. Listen, I'm not done, guys. I am not done. Click on settings here, right? Now copy your domain name, the domain name you bought. My own is tutorial.com.ng. copy your domain name right here, change this domain name to yours. So you understand, change this to yours. So I'm changing this, right? Then go to your other end, this capture secret key, capture public key. Now these key are for one purpose and one purpose only, for your site to be safe. So how do you get your capture key? Go to Google, search for Google recapture. It will bring you to this page. Click on the link, click on get started. Now I already have recapture for this, but I'm going to create a new one. So click on get started again. Now come here, type in your domain name. You can use different power, but I always use challenge 2, and I'm not the robot ticking. This one, it will just be showing on itself, so I prefer this one that people can see. So I can pick any project, understand? I can add the domain name here again, and then I'll click on submit. Now it will give me a private key and a secret and a public key. So copy secret key. This is secret key. Now I've copied it. Come to secret key of your website, paste it here, click on enter. 1, copy public key here, right? Go to capture public key, paste it here, enter. Now this is SMS man, this one can be set in the admin, so leave the rest. All right, so that is the main part of the website. So now let's visit our site to see how our site looks. All right, so I'm going to remove this tab, open a new tab, and enter the tab. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, this is our site. Or you go to sign up, so you can create an account here, but I already have a lot of accounts on my database, as you can see. So let me go to database. Now there's one other thing I need you guys to know. Thank God I remember, because sometimes people be like, my videos are not complete, so I need to do a lot of videos to be sure that videos are complete. Okay, now these passwords you see here, they are MD5 password. I don't know, YouTube have a policy against showing a lot of email, so I'm going to cover this email. So I'm going to cover this email. So to edit this password, let me just show you something. To edit this password now, assuming this one I want to do this this first one, I'm going to click on edit, scroll down here, type in the number I want. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm going to come here, search for MD5, right? MD5, and I'm going to click on go. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on go. That means I've successfully changed the password to load and save. So now let me go back to login. Okay, I'm having network issue. Give me a minute. All right, so here I want to enter my password. 89 1 to 9. That's what we did just now. So I click on sign in. Login successful, right? Okay, this is the user side. Now, how beautiful is this side? So the first thing is this side can sell for both international and local audience. That means I can sell to people abroad, people in different countries. So I'm going to click on dark mode. I like this dark mode more than this light mode. As you can see, I like the dark mode preferably, but let's use the light mode anyway. Now see, right here I'm going to select country. You can add whatever currency you want, but I prefer this USD. When people come to my site, they see USD, they are cool. So this is to recharge. This is transaction history. Now here is to buy numbers. Now on this script, the advantage on this script is it has pay stack, it has cryptocurrency, and it has a manual payment gateway. So server, you can select server, let's say USA, and then you add it from admin. If you have from admin, to show up here, but I've not added from admin, so I'm going to show you how it works so customer can buy number. Now to recharge, so let's go to recharge. Seems I'm having slow Wi-Fi connection, so just bear with me a bit. Alright, to recharge means to deposit. Now you can change this contact number to your contact number, and I will show you where to do that in admin. So this is, you have two options, automatic or manual. Now on manual, you can choose either to use USDT, that's crypto, or to use bank transfer. Which bank transfer you're going to add your bank transfer account details, and then the person is going to enter the amount, upload the proof of transfer, add the reference ID before you submit. It goes straight directly to your admin, and then you can approve. Simple. Or you tick the automatic, and then you enter pay stack. Simple. That is how this one works. Refer and earn. Person can come refer. You understand? You can copy and refer, and then their earning will start counting from here. Understand? Alright. Number history. This has to do with how many numbers they've bought. You understand how history works. You don't need any tutorial for that on number history. Transaction history. Sorry about that. The Wi-Fi I'm using is just Airtel 5G is getting out of hand. Anyway, so you already understand every other thing that is here. So the major thing is the recharge, refer, buy numbers, and then the dashboard. So this one now, we've done pay stack, we've done crypto, we've done manual payment to your bank account. So this is okay. All right, so now let's go to the admin. Now I want to make this account the admin account. So how do I do that? If you come back to this place, now you see right now it's actually a user, and its number, it's 1, right? So I could change it from user to admin, like change here to admin. Simple. And then that's all. Change it to admin. So now I can go back to this website. Let me sign out. Come here. Now to enter the admin, remember this in case you forget that in the video. You enter /admin, which is the first part, /login.php. Do you understand? So let's say this, which is /admin /login.php. That is your admin URL. Click on enter. It will take you to your admin area. Alright, so here we are in the admin. So this is the admin, right? So this is the admin of the SMS OTP. You understand? Alright, so let's go from the first part. This is all users. Now the reason I really do not show users on my videos is because YouTube has a policy. Anytime they see email, they just suspend that video. They tell you that you are trying to leak out people's personal email. You understand? So that is that. Now credit user. This is if you want to credit a user personally. Let's say they do manual transfer, so these are the emails that are here. Enter amounts, personal notes if you want. Now APIs, you already know what APIs is, right? So API is what you use to connect your own site to a bigger SMS OTP platform, right? Okay. All right, so this is it, as you can see. So now you can add 5G SIMs, you can add 5 SIMs, you can add SMS MA, you can add SMS hub. This one can carry multiple API. You understand? All right, so let me show you how you can do this. Now let's say I go to 5 SIMs. So let's say 5 SIMs, right? This is it. I'm going to click on it. Now this is their site. Okay, so this is the API. So this is the API, right? These are the API details. So I'm not going to take from here. I'm just first of all going to log into an account. Understand? So sign in. I'm supposed to be having money with them, right? So Cloudflare. I'm going to sign in. They are quite cheap though, so sometimes I prefer them to others and they are faster, so I use them very often. Okay, so this is it. I'm still having this amount. I can't remember using the money in this account, but let me see, guys. Let me see.